Hi everyone, welcome back on this new video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe so you can get a notification whenever I upload a new content. I will make this very short and brief. Um, so if you are wondering how you can make like a quick money, with ChatGPT, this video is for you, right? This is actually focus more on extracting and selling data. How you can extract data from different websites and then you monetize it, right? Because there are many different companies, different customers out there, that are trying to get data, for various studies, right? For different reasons, and they find it difficult to do so. Sometimes you also have people that are pretty much specialized, web scraping, whatever, data extraction and so on. Now today with ChatGPT, writing down the code to extract the data, can be sometimes it can be tedious, but with ChatGPT today it makes it easier, right? You can just write down a prompt and then you get the data, you get the code, actually code that you can modify based on actually the data point that you're trying to, based on the various features or various element that you may be interested in, in a given website. And then you modify your code to suit the very study, the very information you are trying to achieve or extract. And then you can just go ahead and get the data, and whether it's beautiful soup that you want to use or any other um web scraping tools, it depends, right? So whatever, whichever code that you are interested in, this is what you just add chat gpt, and then whatever you put in, that's what you get back, and you get the information real quick, and you go ahead and then cash out. So this is what I'm about to show you here in this video is just a job that I've completed, like, recently, very recently, right? Of extracting information and then selling the information, right? And without wasting further time, let's just go right into it. So here is the a job that a client actually requested here. He wants to get this data extracted from these two website, booking.com. And clearly you can see he's a big client. He's already spent like over $2 million, on Upwork and so on. So you can see all these details. He's a very serious client. He's already have over 1,000 job posted. And yeah, I was able, I was chanced, to be one of the people he selected, to get the job done. And ChatGPT it made my life easier, right? I was able to, to mix, the my my scraping expertise along with ChatGPT, to get this data extracted. And yeah, and I was able to make just like that, in less than like 3 hours, over $1,000 just for this job, you know. And there are so many out there, that you can look for and hopefully capitalize, on ChatGPT, right? So here I'm on ChatGPT, right? I will just make a request based on the project that I'm working on, right? Like provide, a it depends, right? Let's say a Python code to scrape um hotels. Okay, to scrape hotels information in, say, Germany. Okay, to scrape hotels with, it says, indoor swimming pool, right? With indoor swimming pool in Germany. So provide Python code, okay, to scrape hotels with indoor swimming pool in Germany, right? In Germany, from, okay, www.booking.com. booking.com, and then we launch this and we wait. Okay, here is a code using the beautiful soup and request library to scrape hotels with indoor swimming pool. Here we go. There we go. It's popping up. So there we have it. We have the code here, right? So all we have to do is just grab this code, take it back to Python. So when we get to Python, we can literally feed in the code, do some little transformation maybe, and then we get the result. That's it. So if you know how Python works, you are good to go. You get the information and extract it, and yeah, that's just what it is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to these channels, so you can get a notification whenever I upload a new content. Thank you again for watching this video, and see you on the next one. And again, my channel here is focused more on any data related topic, be it Python or coding, data visualization tools, like Tableau, Google Data Studio, and SQL, and any other coding languages actually. Thank you, and see you on the next one.